Hi juniors, how are you guys doing? Just wanted to check in and see how your spring break was. I know it probably was not exactly what you pictured it to be. And just kind of go through what this week is going to look like and the next couple weeks are going to look like as we try our hand at remote learning. I know this is a weird time for everybody, so thought we'd walk through a couple things together just to give you an idea of what you're looking at, and then we can, I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have. So, be sure to jot down my Skype information, my text information, because that's going to be the main way that we stay in touch until we're able to be back on campus. So, what is remote schooling going to look like? School's still going to happen Monday through Friday. None of that will change, and this is actually a much easier transition for us at PGA than other classrooms, because you guys are used to doing stuff online. This is nothing new. It's just going to be a couple more days per week, and schedules are going to look a little different. The biggest, most important thing that I can reinforce is please reply to contact. I need to know that you're alive. So when your teachers email, when your teachers text, even if it's not the best time for you to get back to them, say, hey, I'm here, I'll get back to your message later this afternoon or something. I know that a lot of you are going to have extra duties this next few weeks, maybe watching younger siblings or cousins or whatever. So know that we know that too, and we're all being a little bit extra flexible these next few weeks. You will see lessons and assignments posted online, just like always. Calendars are going to look a little different, and you'll notice that the structure of lessons is going to look a little different too. So if you are confused about anything, please reach out to that teacher. Don't hesitate to ask questions. It's especially important this next week or two as you get into a routine to make sure that you feel comfortable with everything you're doing. You are going to have the opportunity to meet with us virtually through either Google Hangouts or Skype. Get excited. It's just helpful to see each other face to face and just to check in live and just to, I don't know, have that community still as much as we can. So keep an eye out for a list of times when you can pop into a teacher's Google Hangout or Skype and just kind of check in. We also can set those up individually if you want like a one-on-one help session. We're happy to do that too. So, we are all kind of learning how this goes together. This is going to be a little bit of trial and error along the way to figure out what works for everybody. And honestly, nothing is going to work for everybody, right? We're all in different situations and we got different things going on. So, if a teacher puts out a schedule and you're like, oh my gosh, I just cannot keep up with that, let them know. Or if you're like, okay, I'm bored, I've already done this, you need something more meaningful, let them know that too. Your feedback is the most important thing right now, just so we can make this meaningful to you and learn how to support you as each week changes. And we don't know where this is headed or how long we'll be doing this for, but for now it's a couple weeks, and hopefully we'll be back together at the end of April. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you've got questions or if you just want to talk to another human. I'm here. It gets a little lonely being stuck in your house all day, every day. So please don't hesitate to just check in, a couple minutes, say hi, or if you want to talk more. You know I love talking diseases, so if you want to talk coronavirus, I'm happy to do so with you. I'm not going to force that on anybody though. But yeah, know that we're here. We're here to chat and just to be humans together like we always do. So same old, same old, same old. And starting tomorrow, just so you have an idea of where we're headed, we're gonna have kind of a soft start. You will have stuff posted in your classes, but it's gonna be very light, and mainly it's looking at setting up schedules and coming up with a plan of when you plan to do school, but when you also plan to take breaks for yourself, to get outside and take a walk. Make sure to distance yourself socially. We call it socializing from a distance. So we do encourage you to take that super seriously, because that's the whole point of all of this, is to keep that infection rate down and slow things down so that we can recover faster and have the supplies we need for those who do need it. So please do take that seriously. I know it feels isolating, but again, that's why I would say, hi, come check in, come chat. Just to feel like you're connected to someone, and do the same with each other too. I'm sure you're not only wanting to check in with your teachers, right? Right. Do make sure to take extra care of yourself during these next few weeks, because like I said, it's weird being stuck at home. It's very isolating and it can get real lonely real quick. And social media isn't the same as like checking in live with someone. So, call your grandma, see how she's doing, or call that friend, or even better, do a Zoom meeting with them, or something where you can see that person's face, and just check in and just share how things are going. So don't hole up in your bedroom and isolate yourself, because that's just going to increase those feelings of being isolated and alone. And know that we're all there. We're all in the same boat. So definitely make sure to take times. If it's sunny and beautiful like it is today, get outside, walk around your block, soak up some sun. It just gives you more energy, gives you the ability to focus a little better. And yeah, make sure you eat lunch and breakfast and all those normal habits that you're in the routine of. Keep those going. The best thing we can do is keep a routine so that it feels like you're moving through your day and the time is not just endless. So keep an eye for more contact coming out soon from all of us teachers. We'll be posting stuff in Blackboard and Google Classroom just like typical. And let us know if we need anything. And you'll see there's some questions at the bottom of this email. Please, please, please reply to me today with the answers to those questions. We just want to make sure everyone's at a good spot, has everything they need, and we'll be checking in with people we don't hear from starting tomorrow with phone calls and that kind of stuff. So let us know how you're doing, and if you want a phone call, I can call you too. All right. Anyways, hope you're doing well, and it'll be good to see your faces virtually and hopefully together soon.